Hi, so you're going to need two types of screwdrivers for this, one smaller than the other. The first one, the smaller one, is used to undo these screws in the corner, and there will be one in the center of yours as well. However, before we get to this, you need to take off the feet in each corner, and yeah, you should be able to see the screw in the center. And you just undo them like this. If I can undo it, there you go. Okay, so once those are undone, including the one in the center, you take that plate off. Then you'll see that there are wires connected in these orange bits here, and these are called Wagos. I'll be calling them Wagos from now on in. And you need to unclip the black and the red wire in these Wagos. So you do that by seeing where the black wire goes in and undoing that side like that, pulling that out, and do the same for the red wire. And then that's good. You can leave it like that. Oh, and I should have said before I started this that you need to unplug the light before you do any of this. And then you undo the two corner screws here, like that. There you go, and then this should be able to come off, and be careful of these two wires here. Just come out like that. So the next thing that you want to do is take the lower base that we sent you and thread the black and the red wire through this hole here, like that. Position it so that this is centered, and you'll notice that there's another hole here, where this screw, where the head of this screw goes. So you need to thread the red and the black wire through, position it so that screw fits in that hole, and this and the main light stand fits through this hole with the black and the red wire going through. Then you want to take these screws here and put them in the corners, like so, with the bigger screwdriver. Next thing is you want to take that black and red wire that you threaded through that hole, and put the black one in the Wago with the other black wire. Sorry about that. That might happen to you, to be fair. If that happens, just place it back in. And you do that by unclipping the orange tag on the side without the wire going into it. And then you find the red wire. And put it in the side where there's no wire going in again. So you do that by lifting the clip here and just placing that in like that, and clipping it down. And you want to give these a tug to make sure they're not going to come out. Just a light tug, not that heavy. And next, these wires here are much longer than the ones we're going to send you. So yeah, so just ignore that for the moment. I'm going to do a bit of cramming here to make sure that the back plate goes on. And next you just put this on the bottom here, and you put screws in on the 4 sides and the center hole there.